Hey YouTube, welcome to another episode of the Fast Ratio. Today we're going to look at fixing a tubeless tyre puncture. It's a slow leak that I've had for a period of time now. Ordered some patches and some rubber glue, cement. It's taken a while to get here due to COVID, so it's finally arrived. So without further ado, let's actually fix this slow leak and get myself back on the road. So, a post review of the tyre repair. From the footage you might have noticed that I've done 2 takes. Well, there was 2 repairs essentially. I learnt about the rebeading. The first time that I'd done the repair, I didn't let the rubber cement get tacky enough. So I put the patch on when it was wet, and even though I used the heat gun and stuff, it hadn't actually adhered very well. So when I put it all back on the tyre and I pumped it up, I checked all the leaks and it was covered at the time. However, in the days preceding, I was checking the pressure, and the pressure was decreasing, not quite as bad as it was, so there was a partial repair. However, it still was letting air out. So I took the tyre off all over again and did the whole thing. This time I peeled off the repair. That was how good the cement had adhered. It got my Dremel and actually made the surface rougher. I think that was part of the problem, was it wasn't rough enough to make contact. And this time I actually applied the glue to the inside of the tyre, let it sit for about 15-20 minutes, and then I came back and I put the patch back on when it was tacky, and I think that was part of the problem as well. Would I recommend doing it? I don't see that necessarily as a cost savings to it. When you think about it, I had to buy 20 patches, the glue, and the tool set. It wasn't really a cost saving. However, if you were going to do it on a regular, changing out like track tyres, stuff like that, I would invest in getting an actual tyre lever system. They're about 150 to 200 bucks, and they're not overly expensive, and that makes just breaking the bead and everything smoother and quicker. This was partially a backyard mechanic repair. However, after I did the second repair, she's not leaking anymore. I've checked it across a number of days. It's been a couple of weeks now, and there's been 0 leak. So that's a win in a way. So yeah, that's doing a tyre repair. If you've got any questions, hit them up in the comments. I tried to make it as clear as I could. It is very, very complex, time consuming. There's lots of footage, which I obviously didn't want to give you guys to have to sit through, and that's why a lot of it's all sped up. But if you've got questions on particular elements of it, I'm happy to answer any questions and provide any more detailed information in regards to specifics. If you like the video, hit the like button. If you want to subscribe so you can catch more of the content, and hit the little bell so you get notified when I upload. As for this one, that's it. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.